These are some of the wildest things cats do when they make their own rules.
Baby.
This guy got subtitles even when he sleeps. He is guarding the food like a pro. One look, and you know, no one's getting a bite without her approval.
Oh my God, bro.
Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man?
He really hates the sound of farts.
I'm just gonna scooch in right here if you don't mind.
Let me tell you something. All right. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something.
Это просто типичный Стамбул. Вы представляете, они снег положили.
The dog is gently playing with the little chick. Big paws, tiny friend, and it's a sweet and careful moment.
Make a circle, make a circle.
Hey, get him up. Let him get up. Let him.
Estoy loco. Estoy loco.
This cat steps onto the ice and starts to slip, but manages to stay calm.
Most dangerous animal on this planet. A violent creature filled with hateful thoughts and a lust for blood.
Hi.
No, hey.
The owner stepped away for a quick nap. This was the scene when he woke up.
You know, sometimes I don't like you guys.
Hi.
This is the difference when puppy playing with its mom and dad. Is this true? Comment down below. He wasn't prepared for multiple choices. cat sees the scorpion and freezes. Unsure, curious, maybe even a little afraid. It's that moment of hesitation we all know. Look at this tiny kitten trying so hard to climb the bed. It slips, it struggles, but it doesn't give up. And finally, with one last push, it makes it up. Absolutely adorable and so proud.
上啊，那儿。妮儿，你太棒了！哈哈。
Excuse me? Where's your mama gone? Where's your mama gone? Väldigt stor dröm som har gått i uppfyllelse. Strawberry, kan vi få höra ert stöd?
No, no, no.
Давно хотела это видео снять. Ниндзя. No.
This is how cats react when there is construction outside.
Are cats pure? Yes, cats are definitely pure.
What did they do to you in there?
You're not as much of a little demon as they thought you were.
Time to do some sketchy shit. Doo-da, doo-da, hope I get...
The cat was lying down and reached under the stool. Now his paw is stuck. He looks a bit confused, not sure what just happened.
No matter what I do, all I think about is you.
If it ain't free, it ain't got nothing to do with me. Yo, bro, get a job application.
Take a video. Really can't even see her. She's just red eyes. Oh my. Look, he's so happy to see you. Look, your brother's so happy to see you.
Makes it better that they felt.
My big boy. Oh my god, sorry.
The cat leans in and starts drinking milk from the cup. No hesitation, just pure focus.
你有偷喝妈妈的酸奶？不要再喝，你又偷喝我的酸奶。
You know, like the kind of doctor who knows your name and makes you feel important. He just remember you. Yeah.
Say hi to everybody. Hi. Hello. Hi.
That's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. If you guys want more content just like this, please click subscribe and like the video. I will see you guys in the next one.